AI video has officially entered its filmmaking era. And today, I'm going to show you the tool that just closed the gap between random AI clips and real cinematic storytelling. This is Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I create a full cinematic AI sequence directly inside their website, step by step. We're talking multi-shot storytelling, consistent characters, genre-based motion, and speed ramp control during generation. Let's jump in. Higsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now, and their mission is simple: to be the most creator-friendly AI filmmaking platform in the world. With Cinema Studio 2.0, they've evolved from generating single cinematic shots to allowing full AI filmmaking workflows. You can cast characters, assign emotions, direct performances, control camera movement, and build multi-shot scenes, all inside one unified workspace. All right, I'm inside Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0. Step 1 is building our rig and generating our horror video. First, I select my camera setup. I choose full frame Cine Digital. For the lens, I choose compact anamorphic. The focal length is 35 millimeters and the aperture is f4. Now I'll enter my prompt. I've asked a prompt earlier in ChatGPT about my script in here, what I got. Ultra-realistic horror scene, nighttime bedroom, dim blue moonlight filtering through a high-rise apartment window, minimalist modern bedroom, pale gray walls, slightly open closet door in background, subtle darkness inside closet. A terrified woman sitting upright on her bed, frozen in fear, eyes wide, illuminated by faint light from a digital clock reading 2:17 a.m. in red glow. The mattress behind her is subtly dipping inward, as if something unseen is pressing up from underneath. Her phone lies beside her, screen glowing faintly with a cryptic message visible. "You didn't check under the bed." Shadows stretch unnaturally long across the room. The space under the bed is pitch black, deeper than normal darkness. Cinematic lighting, high contrast, shallow depth of field, eerie atmosphere, hyper-detailed textures, subtle film grain, photorealistic, psychological horror tone, no gore. I will set the batch size to 2. I chose the 16:9 ratio since this is for YouTube. I also selected 2K resolution because it generates faster. Here's the important part. You can add your own elements here. I previously added my characters, the supporting character, the entity, and the woman, so you don't have to add images unless you want to. You can use up to 4 unique elements in a prompt. You can also include a product depending on the type of video you want to create. Please note that when creating elements, you need at least 2 images or more to generate the element properly. For example, for this woman, you need to add another image, such as a side view or a half-body image. Also, make sure each image is at least 300 pixels in size before creating the element. Since I already have this image, I will delete it. Now, in the prompt, you can mention the character you want to add. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Now, I like this image too. I went ahead and downloaded it. Now let's turn this into a cinematic AI video. I add the start frame image that I downloaded earlier. Then add the prompt. I like to try this multi-shot manual. The first prompt is ultra-realistic 4K psychological horror scene. Modern apartment bedroom at 2:17 a.m. Pale moonlight spilling across gray walls. Red digital clock glowing on nightstand reading 2:17. A woman lies awake in bed, staring at the ceiling, motionless. Soft ambient night sound. Slow cinematic dolly in. Shallow depth of field. Natural shadows. No gore. Emphasis on atmosphere and silence. And set this to 3 seconds. Then I want to add the movement to zoom in. And the second prompt, camera slowly pans toward the slightly open closet door. Darkness inside feels unnaturally deep. Hanging clothes barely visible. Soft knock sound. Another knock from inside the closet. Woman slowly sits up in bed in the background. Tense expression. Subtle handheld camera movement. Atmospheric tension. No jump scare. And set this to 3 seconds. Then I want to add the movement to pan right. And the third prompt. The closet door creaks open slowly by itself. Interior revealed. Nothing inside except hanging clothes gently swaying. Pale moonlight barely reaching the back wall. The woman exhales in relief. Silence returns. Ultra-realistic lighting. Cinematic suspense tone. And set this to 3 seconds. Then I want to add the movement to dolly right. And the fourth prompt, 2 soft knocks from under the bed. The mattress dips slightly near her legs. Camera cuts to low angle near the floor. Darkness beneath the bed appears unnaturally deep, almost swallowing light. Subtle distortion in shadows. Ambient hum intensifies slightly. And set this to 3 seconds. Then I want to add the movement to tilt down. And the last prompt. Her phone lights up beside her. Close-up of glowing screen in dark room. Message displayed. You didn't check under the bed. The mattress dips again behind her. Camera slowly pushes in on her terrified face. Lights flicker once. Cut to black. Final sound, 2 soft knocks. And set this to 2 seconds. Then I want to add the movement to zoom in. I adjusted the duration of each scene earlier since this video is only 14 seconds long. Now I'm adjusting the speed ramp for every scene. Then I choose a 16:9 ratio, set the quality to 1080p, and select the horror genre since this is a horror video. Then hit generate. This will cost 24 credits. And here's the final result. This is awesome overall. Great job. I just noticed some parts aren't smooth and there are a few glitches, and that's the AI. It's not smooth in the first try. You need to tweaking the AI prompt could help make it look more clean and professional. I created a single shot prompt earlier, and here's the result. If you want to try this yourself, I've put all the links in the description below. You can create your cinematic AI video, access the full user guide with prompting tips, and explore Cinema Studio 2.0 directly. If you're serious about cinematic AI video in 2026, this is a tool you need to test. Let me know in the comments, what genre would you create first? And I'll see you in the next one. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.